Today we'll start new exercise, that is 6.5. Now before we get on with the problem sum, we will understand another very important property, or you can say another very important theorem related to triangle. That is, we'll learn today Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem is entirely related with right angle triangle. Okay, how? What is a Pythagoras theorem? Now this theorem was invented by a great Greek mathematician called Pythagoras. So this theorem is named for his name only, not Pythagoras. It is a name of a great Greek mathematician. What did he say? He said that in a right angle triangle, which is the longest side you see, obviously AC, and this longest side is obviously opposite to the 90 degree. You will always see that this line is always opposite to the 90 degree. That is, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is the longest side in the right angle triangle. Okay, now he named this longest side as hypotenuse, which is abbreviated by H. Now the line which you see horizontally horizontally inclined is called base, and this is represented by B. And the line which is vertically standing is called perpendicular. Perpendicular. This whole line, and this is represented by P. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square, that is, let me first write, AB is hypotenuse, okay, BC is base, and AC is hypotenuse, BC is base, and AB is perpendicular. Okay, so this theorem has a huge application in the higher classes, so do remember this theorem. It's very important. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equals to p square plus b square. This is your Pythagoras theorem. When we'll go to the higher classes, we'll derive this theorem. Okay, but for now you just have to remember what is the Pythagoras theorem. That is h square equals to p square plus b square. That is h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, as simple as this. Now related to this theorem, the entire exercise you have to solve, and very easy sums are there. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1 of exercise 6.5. Now according to the question number 1, PQR is a triangle, right angle triangle, and right angle at P. So it is written in the question that PQR is a triangle and right angle at P. So we have to draw a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, students. Okay, they have said that right angle at P. So this is 90 degree. So right angle at P. And what is the name of this particular triangle? PQR. So PQR you can write, or else you can write PQR also. So PQR. Okay, they have given some dimensions, that is PQ equals to 10 centimeter, PR equals to 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter, and they have asked what is the length of QR. We do not know this, so we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So you will write by Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. Now what is h? Is the longest side, that is QR. Opposite to 90 degree is always h. Opposite to 90 degree. Okay, always remember. hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. So QR square. What is P? The vertical line, that is RP, PR. And what is base? PQ. Now QR we do not know, so we'll write as it is. PR, the value is given 24 square. And what is PQ? PQ is 10 square. Okay, now 24 square is 576 and this is 100. 10 into 10 is 100. So QR square, again QR square equals to 676, isn't it? Now $676. Now we'll do this. 676. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Excuse me. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, and this is 13 13s. Okay, students. Okay, so we'll write this in place of 676. 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Now again we'll write this. So how many 2 are there? 2. So we'll write in this way. How many 13s are there? We'll write in this way. Okay. Now both are carrying the power as 2. So we'll take the power as common like this. Okay. Now QR 2 into 13 is 26. Now if you really compare the values, you see square is there. What is there in the place of QR? If you just see QR and what is there in the place of QR, it is 26. So QR is 26 centimeter. Very easy. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 1. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2. Now question number 2, they are saying that ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. Now again we'll draw another right angle triangle. Right angle is here and right angle at C. The name of the triangle is ABC, but they have said right angle at C. So ABC, so A, B and C. Okay, now they have given some dimension again. AB equals to 25 centimeter, AC equals to given 7 centimeter. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out BC. Now which one is a hypotenuse? Obviously opposite to 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse, this is base, and the line which is standing, this is perpendicular. Okay, now from or by, anything you can write from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to P square plus B square. Okay, now what is hypotenuse is given? See AB. AB is hypotenuse, so it is given 25 centimeter. AC is given. AC is what? Perpendicular is given this time. Perpendicular. So that is 7 centimeter. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out base, isn't it? So just write the values accordingly. That is H equals to 25 centimeter. So 25 square. What is P is given? 7. 7 square plus B. 25 into 25, 625. 7 7s are 49 plus B square. Isn't it? Now you have to remove this 49. So what we have to do? 625 minus 49. And the same thing you have to do on the right hand side also, just because you have to remove this 49. So now this 2 will be cancelled. Now you have to subtract this. So answer of this is 576. This will become 0, so B square. Okay, now we can write this in this format also, that is B square equals to 576, isn't it? Now again we'll do 576 like this, just like the previous manner. This is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Now again we'll divide 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. Now again 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Now again 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, sorry there is no space, 3. So how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many 3s are there? 3, 2. Now as because there is a square is there, so we'll pair it. We'll make a pairs. We'll make the pairs. Okay, these are the pairs. So how many 2? 2 square. How many? Again 2 square. Again we'll write 2 square. Again we'll write 3 square. Now everyone is carrying square as a power, so we'll take square as common power, like this. Okay, now we multiply this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. Okay, so now you compare b square. Now this is b square only, isn't it? So square is there. Now in place of b, what is there? 24. So value of b is 24 centimeter. So this is the answer of base. Okay, carefully you have to do this. Very, very important. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 3.